Newly discovered species of flies get heroic names. Scientists from Australia's Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization announcing the names of some of their latest discoveries this year. Among them are 5 species of robber flies inspired by the Marvel Universe, now officially called Thor, Loki, Black Widow, Deadpool, and Stan Lee, the creator of many iconic Marvel characters. The young scientist who coined the name says the insect's markings reminded her of the character's costumes and signature looks. What do you think, Jordan?
Great. Somebody discovered a fly.
I know you're not too big on superhero movies. I'm not either, but I still think it's pretty neat.
I mean, I guess if you're into flies, if you're into that. Couldn't have even been a fish.
A fish?
Yeah, really anything.
Fish named after a superhero?
Yeah, really anything cooler than a fly at this point. Just anything.
I'm sorry. It's 2020, Jordan. Deal with it.
Yeah, it's 2020. The most exciting thing to happen is a new species of fly.